All right, Mr. Ferko, are you ready?
I don't know there, Mr. Cantelou. I don't think you're a licensed doctor. You
Well, I got the tools.
You got a hammer, and those are your glasses.
Okay, so I don't have the tools, but history teacher, doctor, same thing. You ready?
I'm a little bit nervous about this.
Well, that's exactly what we're here talking about. The nervous system.
Oh,
See?
I guess my reflexes are in check, Mr. Cantelou.
Your reflexes work and it hurts. So
It
that
does.
even, now you're receiving pain and your reflexes are active.
And I'm able to move, right? And that's part of the movement part with the nervous system. So the nervous system is controls and coordinates our body. So it starts with the brain, the spinal cord, and all your nerves throughout the body. So the main parts, like I said, is a control center is your brain sending those messages. And those messages are neurons or nerve cells that are connected all throughout our body that are sending messages to our brain.
So when we see things, hear things, taste things, smell things, feel things, that's all part of our nervous system, right?
Absolutely. Our five senses are connected within our nervous system as well.
All right, so when we feel pain or something's hot or cold, that's all our nervous system picking up that information and sending it through electric currents, right? To our brain, which then tells us what's going on.
Exactly. It's like touching a hot stove. You might touch it, ow, it's hot, and you'll feel that pain go up your arm, and it sends a message to your brain to pull your hand away from a hot stove.
Our nervous system, in fact, tells parts of our body to do things without us even having to think about it. So, for instance, your heart is beating right now without you having to think about that. You do nothing for that. That's your nervous system in action. It's telling your heart when to beat and how often to beat.
And they call that involuntary control because you're doing these things automatically. Breathing, your heart rate, digestion, those are involuntary controls in your coordination in your body. Voluntary is going to require you to think or to do something like reading, talking, are going to be more involuntary, I should say, would be those types of...
The best way to think about it is your nervous system is like a computer for your body. And it's the way it carries those messages to the rest of your body, basically like a cord or wires. Yep. And that's why when we talk about the spinal cord, we like to think of it like a group of wires that come down from your brain, through your back, and around to the rest of your body.
Yeah, and you got nerves that run throughout your whole body, all the way to your fingertips, to the bottoms of your toes, sending those messages throughout.
Now, for this week, we'd like you guys to research a disease or maybe an injury that affects the nervous system. Things like
Parkinson's disease, dementia. These are certain types of diseases. What's a couple other ones? Alzheimer's would be another one there too. So these would be some diseases that are going to affect your coordination and control on how your body movements as well.
So we'd like for you guys to write that up and explain how that disease is affecting the specific parts of your body in that in your nervous system. How are those currents being cut off, or how's it failing?
All right, and I think that's it.
All right, you ready for your other knee?
I'm just worried about him being the doctor here and taking care of my knee.
I'm a great doctor.
I'm a little scared there, guys. So please keep him in the classroom and not in the doctor's
Mr. Ferko, other knee time.
Oh, no.
Got it.